everybody, welcome back to my YouTube page. Today I'm going to be unboxing Hunter boots. If you're not familiar with what Hunter boots are, they're a brand that creates like one of the best quality rain boots, snow boots, fashionable, they're durable, and I just had like, when I did like my research on what type of like winter boots I kind of wanted, I really had lots of good rates and reviews for this type of stuff. So this was on my birthday list. Actually, my mom-in-law actually purchased this for me. They can be a little bit expensive. This particular brand of boots that I chose was about $150. But if I were to say one thing, if I were comparing this to like Uggs, I would say that from what I know, from what I saw that they are way more like weather appropriate, so to speak. My daughters have some. They had some before I did. They got theirs first, like a week before I got this box. And I really think that not only is it really cute, but I really enjoyed the fact that it was good quality. Like, it was very thick, it was very good quality, and I felt like I can run in the rain, the mud, the snow, and my feet would be completely protected, and it's stylish. So I haven't opened it up yet. I will be opening it up right now. And I also purchased some boot socks because I kind of wanted it to be different. I didn't want to just have the same type of boot, you know, as everybody else. So let's get right to it. So the sizes, I would honestly say that they run big. I would not say that it's true to size. I would say that it runs big, 100%. So when you open it up, it comes into a pretty fancy box like this. I am a size 9. I have big feet, thanks to my kids. So this is what they look like. Get the other one open here. I'm gonna just move this box out the way. So this is what they look like. These are heavy, first of all. That's my first opinion. They're very heavy. I like the fact that the material is thick. I love the buckle. Some had the buckle, some did not. I love the detail of it. Yeah, I was just trying to look inside of it. It had all this writing in it. Like, you can write your name, your telephone number. Like, if you lose your boot, you lose your boot. Nobody returning no boots. Okay? I was looking like, what am I? Am I 3? Am I 6? Why would I need to put my name and telephone? It says property of, so I will put Brittney, telephone number. Like, what the heck? Who would fill that out? Let me know if that's something that is even beneficial to anyone's life. Why you write your name and telephone number in your boot? Alrighty. Just looking at it, because I'm inspecting this, okay? It better not be a piece out of place. And it's not. It looks really good. I'm really happy with it. So now I want to open up my boot. These are the boot socks. I'm going to now open these up. These cost about $35. And what you do is, these are going to go inside of the actual boot. So this is my first time ever doing this too. I don't want to act like I know what I'm doing all like that, but I know what I'm doing. So I would imagine you would probably put them on first, but I'm sure it's all the same. You can leave these in. These are like now your new covers for your boot. And you see how quickly that made it look so much more different, so much more stylish. Like, look at that. Come on. Nothing's wrong with this, but look at that. These are so different. Like, yeah. I don't need to write my name and number on my boot, babe, because your boot don't have this. So I like this. I do think this was definitely a good thing. It has Hunter and Hunt all over it. And I really, really like that. I think this is very cute. It kind of gives me like what's the name of that brand? Forget the name of the brand. It's kind of like a Burberry type of vibe I'm getting, like the colors. I don't know, something about it I just like. It just really, really, I mean, I had like 6 different choices and I chose this kind. So I would definitely be wearing mine with the boot sock, unless I just didn't want to. I'm gonna put the other one on. And then I'm gonna actually try them on for you guys so that you can kind of get the full effect. And also, I heard that these last forever. I heard once you buy a pair of Hunter boots, you don't need another pair for such a long time. Some people have had theirs for 5, 6, 7 years and they still look good. So although it may be just a tad bit pricey, it's worth it. And Uggs cost a lot anyway. Like I got a pair of Uggs that cost $250, you know? And they're just rhinestone. They're just that sequence type of stuff. Not rhinestone, but they're sequence. And I hate wearing them because I don't want to mess them up. So I was like, what? I need something durable. I live in Michigan. It's messy here. It's about to be so many inches of snow. I need to be able to get it in and not worry and still be cute and stylish. So flexibility, durability, I give this like honestly 10 out of 10. I probably will do an updated review maybe like after the winter and see if they did last, but I'm sure they will. So if you guys have any more like any ideas or any videos you'd like for me to do, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm going to post some pictures at the end of this so you guys can kind of see how they look on me. All right. Thank you so much for watching my page, and you guys have a great day.